I don't really want to call this a small project alert because it's literally 3 pieces, but this is an applique that I'm creating for the shoulder of this dress. So one of my coworkers' dad made these pieces and I'm trying to copy it. It's not the same, but it's close enough. And what I'm doing is putting them here. So I have one here at the front of the shoulder. I made this pink one and I made this purple one. Then I have another yellow one over here at the top of the shoulder. I don't know if Julia's gonna be okay with that because it's nowhere on the drawing. I just decided and I thought it was pretty. So I'll ask her. Maybe I'll send her a picture while she's in Cabo. I know she's busy. Maybe I'll ask Chris first. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. You know what? Let's do it for the content. So, applique, small project alert. Small project alert. I'm gonna make a theme song. I am gonna make a theme song for my little small project alert section. So what I did was completely try to mimic this applique piece here in purple. I used oh my gosh, why my mind is blanking out? A Paradise Shine. That's what it is. It's a Paradise Shine oval. I have a few sizes. Didn't use them in the dress at all. But I knew that I needed to make some appliques, so I pulled them out in hopes to use them on the dress. Still ended up not using them on the dress. So they're going to get their shine in this applique. Small project alert. So I mimicked, again, the piece. And for my center stone, he used the citrine pears. So I used a Paradise Shine oval. And on the pink one, I'm using a peony pink Swarovski specialty. Let me put my glue dot down. You want to use a lot of glue, a good glob, because these stones are really big. But this is the only kind of light pink specialty I have. So you want to get it on there like that. And then you want to come around the back and add more glue for security. The piece is supposed to be stiff, so no worries. And we're gonna let that dry. Because these are stones that kind of have a lift in them because they're supposed to be inside housings, and we definitely do have the housings, but I don't like to use them when I'm just doing an applique. If I was needing it for the dress, maybe I would sew it on, but I don't need that for an applique. So because it has kind of a lip and a lift, after they're medium tacky, I'll lift it up and we're gonna kind of mold the fabric around the lip. Because this one especially a lot, because it has a lot of the glue, and no worries about that because you know we're gonna cut it out to look like this with all of the beautiful holes in it. But you want to mold that extra glue around the back of the lip. I wish you could see it better. Let me move some of this stuff. Spin this around. Alright, there we go. So you can see it has a lip where it's lifted up from the fabric because of course, look at the back of it. Let me show you. So that's the back. This is the beautiful front. I should put it on like a ring. I can't do it. Can I do it? Oh, I did it. No! Fail. Let's try it again. I don't think I can flip it over, you guys. Flip. Oh, there it go. Look, I did it. But it's gorgeous, isn't it? Don't look at my work woman hands. Admire the stone. But they're gorgeous. Let me stop playing with these stones and get back to work. I just wanted to do that little small project alert. I'll be back. I gotta say it. Did you see my manifestation right there with the stones? Yes, I did flip my hand, but I told it to flip. It didn't have to flip right, but it did. I did that. Yes. I take full credit for my manifestations over here. So let me let me get back to this arch here so I can be done with this dress. Well, no, because I want to do an ombre on these straps too. So maybe I'll do the ombre is a part of the small project alert as well. Okay, so it's a yes for this brooch on the back corner. It's a no for this one on the nude strap. She was a little concerned about the elasticity in this strap here, so it makes sense. So we're gonna take those off. I have them here. I'm thinking about maybe making a headpiece so they just don't go to waste. But other than that, let me glue this one down, and this dress is done. Oh my God. How on earth did I forget to add the bugles? So right at the top of the fringe line, it's supposed to get these dark rainbow bugles just for a little more movement, and the customer is insisting on the bugles, so I don't even want to ask if I can just not do them. So let me figure out a way to hold these bugles on with maybe a size 12s, because as you can see, it's a little tight up in there. So let's add the bugles now. You saw that small project alert. So this is not my dress, but it came back because she wants a frame at the top. So I have the stones to fix that sitting in some acetone so the glue comes off, and we're gonna make a beautiful frame for the top of this dress. I'll do that this weekend on a separate small project alert. All right, so I got 80 bugles down, only because 80 is the only amount that I had to use in the dark rainbow color that actually matched. We have quite a few different dark rainbow variations, and this one is the one that matched this dress. But it's cute. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna cut off all of the strings, and then this dress will be done. Maybe. No, I think it's done. And it came out good. I mean, this peony pink pear, say that 5 times fast. Peony pink pear, anyway, is a little darker than the pinks, but I feel like with the way that this electric pink delight fades into this electric violet delight, it gives it just enough transition color as a shadow. You know, I like to add shadows to all of my dresses. It's cute though. Just enough detail. I even like the way that I continued the velvet strip on this nude strap there. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. I love it. If you need any help on your ombres, feel free to give me an email,